My Samsung S24 Ultra fully paid unboxing experience.
Miss Eileen will do the unboxing na. Tara. Alright. So guys, ito yung Samsung S24 Ultra natin. So ang color nito, Miss Eileen, is anong? Titanium black. Okay, titanium black yung kinuha natin na unit. Just same nung ginagamit natin ngayon, which is yung Samsung S22 Ultra. So mag-upgrade tayo to S24 Ultra. So, tara. Wow! Right off the bat, guys. So para siyang grayish pag tinignan mo sa ibang angle. So, yan. So ang nasa box niya is ito, yung manual dito sa loob. Bas natin. Alright, so we have the manual. We have the cable. I think this is a fast charging cable, just like nung previous models nila. And then we also have the pin para sa paglagay ng SIM card. So, yeah. Okay. Alright, so nakabahan ako. Let's go. So, ASMR. Ooh! Woo! Crispy. So this is the S24 Ultra. As you can see, if you have the previous models, medyo curved pa yung edges niya. But this one, it's completely flat. What does that mean? Mas madali ka magpalit ng screen protect or maglagay ng screen protector. Unlike the previous versions or previous models ng Samsung S24 Ultra or lineup. So let's open up this unit. So guys, so makikita nyo yung kulay niya. Hindi siya completely black. Parang siya may pagka-grayish na tone. Yan. There you go. So, USA dapat ang connect natin. Start. So, agree na lang tayo to all. Okay nyo na i-skip yan. So guys, medyo nakat yung ating video dahil meron silang new feature. Before kasi, pag nagsa-smart switch ka or nagta-transfer ka ng data from your old phone to your new phone or purchase ng Samsung phone, meron silang wire or meron silang feature na smart switch. But now, meron na silang parang instantly magko-connect yung two Samsung phones para mag-transfer ng data. But I would prefer using a cable. I would suggest or encourage you to do the same because yung mga data baka makorrupt or pag na-disconnect ka, baka mamaya makorrupt yung mga data. But if you're using a cable wire, pag nag-transfer ka or nag-smart switch ka, mas safe yung mga files mo. So, yeah. So, we're all set up. There you go, guys. So, max natin yung brightness. Okay. So, tignan nyo yung lock nito. Sheesh! Unlocking the phone. Very smooth. So, again. So, this is still OLED. Very, very wonderful yung... basta maganda. Maganda yung screen ng Samsung talaga. So, ang taas ng contrast ng colors. Very bright. So kung gusto mo na very vivid yung mga pictures, Samsung and OLED is the combo or is the key. So, yeah, mukhang okay naman. Walang scratches and sealed naman. Binuksan namin kanina, sealed to. So, we're safe. So, yeah, this is the back of the phone. Yan. So, yeah, I think we're all good. Watch out for the in-depth review neto. We'll be testing out this weekend for the LU trip. Real-world testing gagawin natin. We'll charge it 100% before mag-start yung biyahe natin and then see how much or ilan ang matitirang battery at the end of the day. So, yeah, that's it. So again, this is Jolo, your creative entrepreneur and content creator. As always, eager for change and driven for others. Watch out for the next video.